Hey kids, Flexing Teacher Weber here. I'm here, but there's no flexing today. I'm trying out a new app that allows me to show you math and you can hear what I'm saying, but you can't actually see me, which many people would say would probably be for the best. So we're going to start a new unit today on solving equations in algebra. Now, specifically, we're going to look at the idea of equality in algebra today by looking at some number puzzles. Some picture puzzles. So the idea of equality in algebra is that whatever you do to one side of an equal sign is fine, just as long as you do the same thing to the other side of an equal sign. So that means you can add things to one side of an equal sign, just as long as you add the same amount to another side of the equal sign. Or you can subtract things from one side of an equal sign, just as long as you subtract the same amount from another side of an equal sign. So if you look on the page here, I've given you a number puzzle. It's an if-then. So if you have a blue triangle and two green rectangles, and they equal one blue triangle and four red circles, then what is one green rectangle equal to? Well, you have to use the idea of equality here. So what we're going to do in this puzzle is we're going to look at the if part, and we're going to see if there's anything on both sides of the equal sign that's the same. And what I see that's the same on both sides of the equal sign are my two blue triangles. So what I can do to simplify this puzzle is I can take away one blue triangle. And if I take it away to on that side of the equal sign, that's fine, just as long as I take it away on the other side of the equal sign. What I'm left with is two green rectangles equal four red circles, which means one green rectangle must equal two red circles. That uses the idea of equality in algebra to solve that puzzle. And those circles look brown to me. I'll work on finding better colors. Okay, let's look at another puzzle. So the if part, I have one blue triangle and a black rectangle equals three black rectangles. Well, let's look at the if part and see if there's anything that's the same on both sides of the equal sign. I'm going to recognize that I have a black rectangle there I can cancel, and a black rectangle there I can cancel. And now if I look at the if part, it shows me that I've got one blue triangle equals two black rectangles. So there's my then. Oh, I want black. There we go. Now that I have this app, we might have the singing back now, because I don't have to hold my phone and do all sorts of things. And you don't have to see my face. Okay, let's try another one. Doink. Okay, if two green rectangles equals a green rectangle and three red circles, then what do three green rectangles equal? Well, once again, let's find what's the same on both sides of the equal sign. I see that. Doink, doink. I can cancel off one green rectangle from both sides of the equal sign. So that means I'm left with one green rectangle equals three red circles. So then, how many do three green rectangles equal? Well, if one of them equals three red circles, that means three of them must equal nine red circles. Doink, 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 doink. Okay, let's do another one. Doink. Okay, this is a two-parter here. If one blue triangle, a red circle, and a green rectangle equals a red circle and a black rectangle, and two blue triangles and a yellow trapezoid equals two black rectangles, then what's one yellow trapezoid equal? Well, looks complicated, but let's go back to the beginning and let's use this idea of finding things that are the same on both sides of the equal sign. So let's separate this into parts here. I'm going to start with the top part. If you look at this part, there's a red circle there and a red circle there. doink, doink, that can be canceled because I took away 1 from one side of the equal sign, have to take away 1 from the other. Now look at this. I have one black rectangle is equal to a blue triangle and a green rectangle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to my next part now, and since I know that one black rectangle is equal to a blue triangle and a green rectangle, I'm going to replace my black rectangle with a blue triangle and a red circle. And I'll do the same thing on this one. So I'll cancel out that black rectangle and I'll replace it with blue triangle and red circle. Now look at this. I have on this side of the equal sign, I have 2 blue triangles, and on this side of the equal sign, I have 2 blue triangles. Let's cancel them out. Doink, 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 doink. And now I have a yellow trapezoid is equal to 2 red circles. So that takes us to the last part. A yellow trapezoid is equal to 2 red circles. So in today's assignment, kids, I'm going to get you to try some puzzles like this, and the idea is you find what's the same on both sides of the equal sign, and you cancel them out to simplify the puzzle. And what I'll get you to do is draw those puzzles out and show me your solutions. That will be posted in Shobi along with this video. Trust me, right now I'm flexing, and I'll talk to you soon. Flexing Teacher Weber, out.